Welcome, and thank you for using ThinkingApp. ThinkingApp is a Chrome extension used by teachers and students to keep track of which websites students use while working on certain assignments. It tracks the current tab you are on when using Google Chrome and keeps track of how many minutes you spend on each site. The list of sites you used and the time spent on each will be turned in with your assignment. This helps your teacher learn how you are learning. ThinkingApp should be installed by the network administrators at your school if your class will be using it for an assignment. To make sure ThinkingApp is installed, you will see a gray icon in the Extensions section of the Chrome window on the upper right of the screen. When you are working on an assignment and you've been asked to use ThinkingApp, you need to turn on logging. Open your Google Doc assignment. When ThinkingApp is installed, you should see two additional gray buttons in the menu bar, Start Logging and Turn in Logs. When you are ready to begin the assignment, click on Start Logging. You may see this screen, which asks you to log into your Google account if you are not already. When you return to your Google document and are logging, the button changes its name to Stop Logging. Notice also that the ThinkingApp icon in the Extensions section is now red. Whenever that icon is red, ThinkingApp is logging. Now you can work on the assignment in the Google Doc, or you can research using any other tab. ThinkingApp keeps track of which sites you go to and how long you spend on them. If you need to stop logging the sites, go back to your Google document and click Stop Logging. When you do, you are brought to a new tab with the list of sites and times that have been logged. At this time, you should enter the access code your teacher gave you to let ThinkingApp know which course and assignment you are logging for. You also have the opportunity to remove any sites that you consider off track. For example, if you quickly went to Facebook or checked your email, click on the red X on the left of each entry that was off track, and it will be removed from your list. When finished, click on Close tab to close that list and return to your assignment if it is still open. If your project takes a long time, you can start and stop logging each work session. You can log your sites while at school and while working on projects at home if you are on the same Chromebook. Note that if you are working on your assignment and realize that you forgot to turn on logging, just turn on logging when you remember. When you are finished with a project and are about to submit your assignment, you should turn in the logs. Make sure that you are not logging. If you want to check the list of sites one last time, you can see them by starting and stopping your tracker. When you click Turn in Logs, ThinkingApp will attempt to save your list of sites to the database. The button will change to Sending Logs. If they are turned in correctly, after just a moment, it will say Log Sent. When you successfully turn in the logs, it will clear them, so the list will start empty for your next assignment. Thank you for using ThinkingApp.